bit. Let's put that cracker down there, right there. Look at these ants. Do you see them? Look at that. And from what I understand, ants work by secreting chemicals in each other's mouths. Where are the crackers? Your crackers are over here. Let's go get them. Look at that. They are just, man, they're all over that thing. Look at all these ants. Reminds me when I was when I was in the Marines. I was with my mom. We were in Demopolis, Alabama, and we were hanging out looking at a blue jay. And all of a sudden, my mom makes this yelping sound like I've never heard her do before. And I noticed that her leg was covered in ants, like just up to, maybe her ankle. It was up to her ankle in ants, red fire ants, and they're biting the shit out of her. So she took off, and I was trying to get them off of her, right? I was getting them off of her, and she's like, David! And I looked, and they're up to my waist. But I was wearing fatigues at the time, and I'll tell you, there's a cool thing about the military, man. They've kind of seen it all. I was covered in these fucking red ants. Look at that. They're just taking little bits and pieces off of that cracker. Isn't that amazing? Amazing.